Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your download speeds on your internet connection using your Amazon Fire TV. So I'm just on the home screen here. Let's scroll on over to settings and then go on down and go to network now. Then find your currently connected internet. So I'm connected to Scump, and then press the play button to check the network status. So let's press the play button right here and then go to it. And this is my last download speed test. I was at 194, and that was about 10 minutes ago. Now on the bottom, let's go to Run Speed Test right here and select this. And it will quickly do a network download speed test right here. Now give it about 10 to 15 seconds to come up with the results. But I'll give you like some recommendations on what kind of content you can actually video stream. So it says, I can support content up to 4K video streaming without interruption based off my connection. Then it'll also say you're connected to the internet and the Wi-Fi signal strength right here in the upper left. So I could get better Wi-Fi signal strength. Mine is only 2 out of 3 bars right there. And now I am at 241 for my download speed. So this is how you can easily check it on your Amazon Fire TV. This video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.